Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about something interesting. So I actually bumped into Landingfolio.com right here, this website, and I just wanted to share with you. So this video is specifically for front-end developers. Right now, this channel is it's really all about helping developers, front-end developers, backend developers, and basically, you know, even UI UX designers and team leads and all of that. I'm gonna be doing a lot of things here, but today I just wanted to talk about, um, some other places, out there you probably do not know about that you can get, design inspiration off of. Alright, so I did bump into this platform couple days ago. I think, let's say 2 days ago, if not 2 days ago, probably yesterday. It's actually very early in the morning. At the time of this recording, it's currently 1:25 a.m. But I just decided to make this video, put it out there so you could learn about it. You probably may have heard of it before or not, but man, if you haven't, it'd be lovely to check it out. So I'm just gonna go off track just a little bit and show you something else I was working on. So when I actually saw this, I thought about, you know what, I could do something really beautiful and go out there, make research, you know, um, it's gonna be industry based and stuff like that, but come up with beautiful templates, create them, from scratch, and actually show it to you guys and you could have access to it. So I've begun actually doing some things here. Now it's really basic stuff, but once I'm done with it, I'm gonna share with you, and you'd have access to it. Just to come up with some really beautiful, designs and code them up using Next.js, and Tailwind CSS, of course. You know, and yeah, when I'm done with it, you'd learn more about it. But let's talk about it. So I bumped into this interesting platform. So it's called Landingfolio.com. You want to go check it out, right? So yeah, they actually do have. So over here, they do have a library that has um Webflow components. We've got Figma components as well. So yeah, but if you wanted to go in there and actually copy or check out the code snippets for, let's say, Next.js application, of course, you can do that absolutely. All right, so let's check it out. So we're gonna go over here and I'm just gonna go through and browse through. So think about it. Okay, do you know what? Let's just go through it first and talk a little bit more later. Right. So for instance, let's check these one out. Talk notes. So what's that? So look at that. It's been made already for you. I think it's pretty awesome. And look at that, all of that just made for you. So, do you know what I think? Now, there's platforms out there. I do know about Behance platform. I do know about Dribble platform. A lot more other platforms now. Some of the templates here are premium, some are free. So, of course, and I do know that out there are other premium platforms, that actually give you Tailwind components, and utilities. You have all of these, previewed stuff for you that you could use. But I just bumped onto this website and I wanted to share with you so you could check it out. This is really interesting because, think about it. You work um with a team and you just have this idea and you do not want to wait for the UI UX designer to come up with a design. Do you know what I mean? And because sometimes it'll take them days, they've got to do research and you know, do the wireframing, even walk through the lo-fi, and then you get, real visuals to get to the hi-fi, right? The high fidelity designs. So you might not want to wait for that, you just wanna go out there, get inspiration, from you know previous designs and just go on with it. I think it's really interesting because you could actually get this, and just say, do you want to change things? Of course you can, get into the platform, you can customize it, get right into the code, change things, but I just think it's a beautiful way when you don't have to start things from scratch, like literally from scratch. You just have this idea and you just want to get going. You do not have to wait for the design team to actually, come up with, overall design. You could literally just get started. So, I mean, you want to check it out, landingfolio.com. So check these out. Really interesting stuff here. Right, you go literally build all of these components out yourself, right? Let's go check out some others. All right, what do I want to look at here? Let's say this. All right, that one opens, and this is what we have. Right, check these out. All right, okay, look at that, beautiful. All right, I mean, these have already been beautiful, yeah. Let's see what that does. Good. All right, so let's go on. Look at that wonderful background color. I do like that shade. Just stands out. It's quite interesting, isn't it? All right, so look at that. Look at that gradients. Let's actually see how this guy's hover. Um, Look at that wonderful navigation menu bar. Really wonderful. Look at that. So you can literally create this yourself, right? You can get right into your Visual Studio Code and start writing code, making things work, But you just got this idea, you could just go out there, get inspiration, and customize things, and because think about it, of course, your application would have special functionalities unique to the product, to the project, right? So of course there's gonna be things like that, but just get things started. I mean, you could get inspiration from any platform out there of your choice. It doesn't have to be Landingfolio. It could be any other platform. Just go for it. I think it's really beautiful when you want to explore things. Just get ideas and inspiration. Actually, as a phrase here, inspiration. All right, so I mean, you could go out there, check out all that. So right, I do not want to make this video long, so I'm gonna get get wrapped up right here almost already. So I mean, there's lots of platforms or lots of designs on here. You could filter if you do not want by landing page. Right over here, you could go with something else. You could just go with the pricing page. Just want to check out some sign up components, or whatever you want to do. You could do that totally. Right, so check them out. I didn't know about this landingfolio.com. How come? Well, actually, I do see a lot of designs on here. I see 2023, and stuff. Well, they are really good designs, aren't they? You would say they are. You know, I mean, they may not necessarily fit your ideal design, like what you have on your mind right now, because you might have done some UX research and stuff like that. But of course, why not? I mean, you could get started off with it. I could later want to check these ones out. more in depth look at that, but you could go for it, really deep dive deep into it, that's what I want to say. All right, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so um, yeah, so I was saying that actually I did not know about it. So if you knew about it before today, Landingfolio.com, this website, tell me in the comments if you know about it before today. Right, I'd love to know that. Right, and let's check out these other ones. So we've got a one-page website curated here, onepagelove.com. All right, so here's another one. You could check it out. Um, but let's check these one out. So of course, there we've got Behance, we've got Dribble. But something interesting about other platforms, is that you can actually get the code off of it, and get started with that. Of course, you can write the code yourself, but if you have something, prebuilt with, the header and the footer and a couple pages with wonderful designs there, you could just wrap your head over it, and, you know, just get going with it. Customize it, edit it and stuff like that. It's just for inspiration, alright? You want to work on a mini project, something like that, and you do not need a design team to actually come up with the full design for you. Except it's a pretty intense one, you know what I mean? So why not go for it, right? Good. Alright, there's another one here. Let's check these on Collect UI. Right. Another one that you could filter, interesting filter in here. Alright, so that's pretty much about it. I just wanted to jump on here and talk to you guys about it. And so literally I learned about this a couple days ago, probably yesterday, not quite sure right now, but maybe 2 days ago or thereabout. Yep. Actually, interestingly, I see the last post here. Maybe I really gotta go scroll down, probably things shuffled here, but it's sort of like the last one here is from November 28th of 2023. Right. They haven't really, probably they've posted recently. I see it actually goes, in a descending manner, so it actually means they haven't posted recently, but they do have wonderful designs anyway. So, I mean, you might want to share some with me. I would totally appreciate it. And if you want me to make another video about, all the platforms where, or whatever you want me to make a video about, just tell me about it in the comments and I'm gonna try to do that, make research and bring you guys information and stuff like that. Again, what this channel is about, it's really all about helping developers, become more productive and stuff like that, in today's day and age of artificial intelligence, I mean, do you not wanna really be this guy that wants to do everything from scratch? Do you know what I mean? If you can actually have a template to help you out with, a couple of things that you need help with, why not go for it? Customize it, build upon it, with scalability in mind, do whatever you want to do. But if you do want to be this guy that would literally build, a button components, well, I don't want to really go that way, but you know what I mean? Like, you do not necessarily need to do everything from scratch. We've got templates out there that can help you get started, especially when you do not want to wait for the design team. Do you know what I mean? Alright, it's pretty much about it. If you do have other sites you want to share with me, I do have a lot more, but I'd love to see yours as well. So drop any comments. I'm gonna try to reach out. I'm gonna be posting more often. Yeah, so I do want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for um your support. I totally appreciate it. right? Do drop a like, drop your comments, and you want to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications as well. All right. Do really appreciate your time once again. Thank you, and do have a beautiful day.